Lesson 1. What is Lighthouse? Lighthouse is a unique Web3-oriented platform. At its core, it's an open metaverse navigation engine, a tool that can be used to navigate, interact with, and jump between different virtual worlds. Conceived a little over a year ago, the primary idea that the team had was this: could they create a Google Maps equivalent for all of the different virtual worlds out there? As time went on though, the plans became even more ambitious. Lighthouse allows you, as a user, to start exploring different metaverse worlds in just a few clicks. You can choose to visit featured content, create and showcase metaverse-based content of your own, or even follow the journey of your friends, having the ability to hop to their location on any associated metaverse space in the blink of an eye. Unique experiences and ease of use are at the core of what Lighthouse is building. As a user of this metaverse interconnectivity project, you'll be able to explore the Web3 space and watch it grow and change over time. As far as ease of use goes, this is a very important factor to consider, since it's common for crypto enthusiasts to abandon their metaverse exploration due to the perceived difficulty of navigating between different projects or failing to discover fun and populated experiences. Lighthouse aims to address this, providing the user with a neatly designed, minimalistic dashboard that houses a variety of different features and popular metaverse projects.